Okay, so hopefully you've gotten yourself logged into Canvas and you've gotten yourself, well, obviously you have to be set up for Webassign or you're not seeing this video. So I wanted to give you a brief intro to Webassign, just some of the key things I'd like to point out. So when you first log in, you should be seeing a screen that looks something like this. If not, you can change your classes with this drop down and choose the appropriate class. So nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and continue with my free trial. And don't forget, just purchase a book before the 13 days are over. You can buy it from our bookstore. You can buy it from straight through Webassign. You can buy it through anybody you so choose. I don't check receipts. You just need to have Webassign at some point here paid for. So when you log in, you'll see there's a couple areas I'd like you to focus on. Over here, first of all, you will see all of your assignments. So you can see my assignments, then you can see your current assignments. Right now you have 6 of them. You have your week 0 current assignment, chapters 2.1, 2.2, and chapter 2.3. And then as well as don't forget to do the syllabus quiz in Canvas. And then also you will see there's Math 217 chapter 2.1, 2.2 quiz, and then a 2.3 quiz. Now, I want to talk about what these little icons you're seeing, what they mean. So when you see the paper, the green arrow, it's just telling you that there is this assignment will fulfill a requirement to do another assignment. So you will notice that the quiz for 2.1, 2.2, you can't select it right now. If I tried to, it's going to yell at me and say, I first must achieve an 80% or higher on my homework assignment to be able to access this assignment. So that's what this is telling you, is I've just put a 80% requirement to be able to go on to 2.1, 2.2 quiz. Then the same thing for the 2.3. You'll see it has an 80% requirement as well. So that's what you're seeing there. The next thing you'll see, these quizzes are timed, so make sure it'll warn you when you click on it. It'll say you have X amount of time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Do you have this amount of time? Once you start the quiz, it doesn't matter if you close, exit, do whatever. Your time continues to run. So you have 20 minutes from when you click start. So make sure you have 20 uninterrupted minutes or 10 interrupted minutes, whatever it happens to be. Then the last thing you'll see here is these are both quizzes, so they're requiring the Webassign Lockdown browser. I will create another video that shows you the actual process here, but it's really quite simple. When you click on this, it's going to give you an option to download the go to a page that lets you download the browser. It asks you if you're running a Mac or if you're running a PC, and it downloads the appropriate thing. Make sure when you go to install it, you have your antivirus turned off. The only students who tend to really have an issue with this are Norton, people who are using Norton. But other than that, no really big problems. And call Webassign if you have an issue. They're pretty good at getting people through it. The next thing you'll see up here in the right-hand corner, you saw this video. I posted it right here in the announcements. It's just not there yet because I'm making it. Any kind of announcement, I will post it up there. Sometimes video, sometimes written. You can take a peek at the calendar. This should guide you through due dates and whatnot. Things inside Webassign. There's no forms, so we're not going to deal with that. Your grades, I'll be posting your grades in here. So as you progress through your homework, this grade will be changing. Then down here in resources, this is where the Webassign puts its resources. So these aren't made by me, these are made by them. So you'll see if you were working on chapter 2.1, 2.2, they have some videos here for you to watch for extra instruction. So I make the whole book available to you whether we cover the section or not. And then your ebook. This is where you go to read. So if you wanted to read the section, and I highly recommend reading, watch my videos first, then read the section. You'll see here contents, chapter 2. We're right now working on 2.1. So when you do that, this is the exact same as the loose leaf version of the book. So you can go ahead, read the pages. The page of here matches to the actual hard copy or loose leaf, whichever version you buy. There are videos integrated into it. There's practice problems throughout the book, so it's a great resource. You're also able to use things like the highlighter and highlight the book as you go. Those types of things are all at your your discretion. You can do whatever you so choose. So I hope this was a good intro. You'll also, really fast, you'll notice off to the left, since I just highlighted, this brings up everything I've ever highlighted throughout the book. It tells you what you highlighted, what page it was on, and so forth, so on and so forth. All right, best of luck.